That's so annoying. Welcome back. I'm Tedward. Welcome to the beautiful state of Vermont, probably my favorite state in the country, honestly. And welcome back to my 2023 Civic Type R, which is getting nice and filthy in the snow. Unfortunately, not enough snow to have like real snow fun, but always appreciate the fact that I bought these Blizzaks to make sure that the car doesn't get stuck when I do decide to go off the beaten path. However, today I want to take you out some fun roads, but also I want to talk about the first quality issue that I'm having with this car. It's not a huge one, but when you spend 45 grand on a Honda Civic, you don't expect too many problems. And it's not a huge thing, but it is starting to annoy me, and it developed on this trip. So let's get it started. So I know I'm not the first one to report this issue, but my seat is starting to squeak a little bit. Now, I'm a slight man. I'm only like 130 pounds, okay? So my large body swooping around in this car should not be causing any issues. So let's get into some turns and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Wow, I really missed the boat on like the scenic area about 100 feet in front of us. Sorry, that could have been a much cooler intro. All right, see if you can pick up on this seat. It's subtle, but it is creaking and squeaking. That's very annoying. Now, I know this is kind of already documented. Not because I've done like deep dives or research, but I've seen on Facebook groups people have said, hey, are your seats squeaking? And I've got 2,700 miles on the car, so it is essentially brand new. I do not remember this on the press car out in California, which had probably 3,000 or 4,000 miles on it. So I'm a little interested in why this occurs, if it just needs to be tightened or if there's like a little, maybe like a rubber washer I can put in somewhere to prevent this. Again, I don't know if it's on the seat rails or if it's something within like the backrest, but that is annoying and it's driving me up a wall. I do not want this to be the lived experience of this car, so I hopefully will find some solution, but just putting it out there, this is like the first quality issue I'm having. Now, am I glad that it's not like a check engine light and an emissions issue? Of course, yeah, so far so good. Still love my car, but I'm definitely somebody who goes a little nutty when I hear noises. I do love these windshield wipers because the washer nozzles are on the wiper. So A, I think it uses less fluid than like a traditional jet nozzle in the cowl or on the hood. And B, it swipes perfectly clean. That's so annoying. And because we're now having our first quality issue, and I think we can consider the car no longer perfectly new, it's time to do it. You guys have asked me a million times, why do you keep this stupid tag on the glove box? Well, now it's gone because I think it's officially broken in now that we have a quality issue. Plus R mode. What I love about Vermont is that there's actually empty space out here. That's not something I can say from a lot of Massachusetts, which is a real bummer because there's some beautiful places to be in Massachusetts, but there's always traffic, there's always houses, there's always like just neighborhoods everywhere. And what's amazing about being out here in Vermont is that you can go out to, like, we were at Mount Snow just hanging out because My buddy Eddie busted up his shoulder a couple weeks ago, couldn't go snowboarding, but his girlfriend had the passes in the resort booked already, so I was like, well, you know what? I'll just come up and hang tight with you. We'll go to the hot tub and enjoy a little resort experience so you're not just sitting around watching TV the whole time. And that means I get an excuse to go drive to Vermont, which, you know, Vermonters are usually pretty good about lane etiquette. They typically move to the right. This guy seemingly not. Or is this Jetta gonna make the pass? Oh, it's tight. Oh, he's crossing double yellows for it. Not a great idea. Usually Vermonters are like the ultimate respect the drive followers, just instinctively, but I guess we've just seen some disrespectful driving. Even on snow tires, this is doing a great job. I do need to get fuel. There's always going to be a cross-trek in your way. Just the way she goes, bud. You gonna pull off for me? No? Alright. Well, then I'm gonna pull off here. Oh, there's the fuel light. Alright, now we're gonna have to momentum drive the car so we don't strain the fuel pump. And now just the curse of sharing the world with other people. We are stuck behind a crosstrack. So, you get the point. I'm annoyed that my seat is creaky. Do you have this problem on your Type R, or have you experienced this before? If you have a solution that is very easy and does not involve me bringing this car back to a dealer to... it's so annoying when you have to bring a car to a dealer to like assess a problem like this. Like, obviously it's very repeatable and easy to deal with, but like, unless they're literally doing an exact fix that they know exactly what they're doing, they're just going to tighten some screws, and I'm going to have to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So let me know in the comments if you have solutions to a creaky seat in your FL5 or FK8. I don't know if that was a problem back then either. Otherwise, now you know my first quality issue. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I gotta go get some fuel. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.